she looks at me. I know the girl she's thinks nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside and all the crazy and I hide. She looks into my soul and treats me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just take me aside. Come one day she believes in the faith is something I never knew before. Come one day she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows those times the time there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she let me live it through. And when I'm in my darkest hour of uncertainty, she just simply lets me be and goes right on loving me. Come one May, she loves me, and that love has said before. Come one May, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door.